Want to make videos in Canva AI? Stick with Knowledge Elevator, and I'll teach you step by step.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. My name is Tariq Rahim, and in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how you can create a perfect video in Canva by using Canva AI. And this is really simple, you can do it in just few minutes. So simply log into Canva. When you log into Canva, there is multiple options near search bar, but click on Canva AI. When you click on Canva AI near search bar, you can see there is again multiple options over there like design, image, documents, code, and video clip. So you will click on video clip because you are going to create video. And when you click on this, after clicking on video clip, again there is multiple options like you can choose style for your video and also ratio, add audio, framing, and lighting. All these things you can select from here, and according to that they will prepare a video for you. Next is you have to create a perfect prompt for your video, and you can do it in Canva. So for that I will open ChatGPT and I will ask ChatGPT to prepare a prompt for me for this video. So for example, I prepared all these information and I pasted here in ChatGPT. So now ChatGPT will prepare a prompt for me for Canva, where I will create a perfect video by using Canva AI. So now ChatGPT will take a while to prepare a prompt for me. So after a little bit wait, you can see there is a perfect prompt that ChatGPT prepared for me. And what I will do, I will simply copy this and paste in Canva. So after pasting my prompt that I prepared in ChatGPT and Canva here, so I will click on this option to start making my video. It will take a while, and now you can see my video preparation is just started. It will take a while. So now you can see my video is ready. I did it in Canva in just few minutes. It's really simple. You don't need any editing skills for this. So you can create this in Canva. Beside that, at the top you can see there is option use Canva editor. If you want to edit anything in your video, you can click on this option. Now you can see there is editing option available. You can edit your video. Beside that, at the bottom there is option add audio, so you can add audio, and also you can add text. Everything from the left panel there is available options. So if you think that your video is ready, so you can simply click on share option and download your video.
Want to make videos in Canva AI? Stick with Knowledge Elevator, and I'll teach you step by step.
That's all from my side. Thank you so much for your time. If you like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. See you in next tutorial.